Hey everybody, welcome back. So today we're going to be making our extra special cookies. Today we're going to be making these super soft and ever delicious macadamia cookies. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you're going to want to need is 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, and we're just going to add 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of baking soda. We're going to take a whisk and just lightly incorporate those together, and then set it aside because we're going to start our wet ingredients, which include 2 sticks or 16 tablespoons of butter. We then want 3/4 cup of sugar and 3/4 cup of brown sugar. We are also going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We're going to go ahead and incorporate that all together. Make sure to try and incorporate it the best as you can. There are a couple more ingredients we want to add, but we want to make sure we get all the pieces together. You can use a spatula in between just to bring everything from the edges and the bottom into the center to make sure it's well mixed. So we're going to add 2 large eggs. We're going to add them one at a time and just mix it in between. So when you're done adding 1 egg, go ahead and add the second one, and then finish incorporating it well. Once that's incorporated well, we're going to start incorporating our flour with our batter that we made. You want to do it in batches. It takes a little bit of force and effort. You need to kind of hold the bowl there, but it's super worth it. You get this super thick batter that you can use to basically add it as a base for any type of cookies. But today we're doing macadamia cookies. We added some macadamia nuts and just folding it over with a spatula, so all the macadamias are together. Now we took a small ice cream scoop, and we're just making little balls of cookie dough, and we can put it in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes at 350 degrees, and you can see how amazing it looks. It's golden brown, super crispy on the edges, and super chewy and tasty in the middle. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. It's a quick but delicious cookie recipe. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy some of these other videos that we're suggesting.